Being a teenager in today's digital era offers endless possibilities. Unlike previous generations, you now have the tools to earn money online without even stepping out of your house or spending a single dollar upfront. Whether you're saving up for college, a new gadget, or just trying to gain financial independence, this guide will help you discover 5 practical, fun, and completely investment-free ways to make money online. Before we dive into it, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the best tips for earning and managing your money. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills online. If you got a skill, freelancing is one of the best ways to make money. Whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or even voiceovers, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are the perfect places to find work. Start small by offering basic services like proofreading, logo design, or even data entry. You can learn or polish skills for free using YouTube tutorials or platforms like Coursera and Skillshare. Once you're confident, create a professional profile showcasing your skills. Freelancing lets you work on your schedule and earn from your talents. With dedication, you can build a strong portfolio, attract higher-paying clients, and turn this side hustle into a sustainable income stream. 2. Print on demand. Create custom products without inventory. Have an eye for design? Print-on-demand platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printify allow you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and tote bags. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Simply upload your design, and the platform handles everything else. The key is creating designs that appeal to specific audiences. Think memes, inspirational quotes, or niche hobbies. Promote your store using free social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Over time, as your designs gain popularity, you can earn a steady stream of passive income. 3. Content creation. Monetize your creativity. Social media isn't just for entertainment. It's a powerful platform to make money as a teenager. Whether you're into making short videos on TikTok, creating YouTube tutorials, or posting aesthetic photos on Instagram, you can turn your passion into profit. Start by picking a niche you love, such as gaming, DIY crafts, fashion, or fitness. Build a following by consistently posting authentic, high-quality content. Once you gain traction, you can monetize through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. The best part? Content creation allows you to express yourself while building a personal brand. With time and effort, you can create a stable income stream that aligns with your interests. 4. Online surveys and testing websites. Did you know you can make money by simply sharing your opinions? Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing pay teens to complete surveys, review apps, or test websites for usability. While this won't make you rich overnight, it's a simple and straightforward way to earn a few extra bucks in your spare time. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to provide honest feedback. Make sure to sign up for reputable platforms and be consistent with your efforts. Over time, these small earnings can add up and help you achieve your savings goals. 5. Virtual assistants. Help businesses remotely. Teenagers are tech-savvy, and that's exactly what small business owners are looking for. Virtual assistance involves helping businesses with tasks like managing social media accounts, replying to emails, or scheduling appointments, all of which you can do online. You don't need prior experience, just good organizational skills and a willingness to learn. Reach out to local businesses or browse platforms like Fiverr to find opportunities. This is a flexible way to earn money while developing valuable skills that will look great on your resume. The more reliable and efficient you are, the more clients will want to work with you. 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending products. Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission for promoting products or services online. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to get unique referral links for items you love. You can promote these links on social media, a blog, or even a YouTube channel. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence. By recommending things you genuinely use and love, you can build trust with your audience and grow your earnings over time. 7. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you're good at a particular subject, why not teach it to others? Websites like Chegg, Tutorm, and Schooly allow teenagers to tutor younger students online. Whether it's math, science, English, or even music, your knowledge can help others succeed while earning you money. All you need is a strong understanding of the subject and a reliable internet connection. Online tutoring not only pays well, but also improves your communication skills and reinforces your own learning. It's a win-win. 8. Start a blog. Share your passion. Blogging might sound old school, but it's still one of the best ways to make money online. Choose a niche you're passionate about, such as travel, fashion, or gaming, and start writing articles. Platforms like Blogger or WordPress offer free setups for beginners. Once your blog gains traffic, you can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Blogging requires consistency, but over time, it can turn into a reliable income source. Plus, it's a great way to build a personal brand and showcase your writing skills. 9. Sell digital products. Share your creations. If you're good at creating things like worksheets, digital planners, or ebooks, consider selling them online. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy allow you to list digital products with no upfront cost. For example, you can design and sell study guides, fitness plans, or printable art. Once uploaded, these products can be purchased by anyone around the world, generating passive income for you. Digital products require some effort upfront, but once they're live, you can earn money from them indefinitely. 10. Gaming. Make money doing what you love. If you're a gamer, there are plenty of ways to monetize your skills. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook Gaming allow you to stream your gameplay and earn money through ads, donations, and subscriptions. Additionally, you can participate in online tournaments or sell in-game items and accounts. Some gamers even make money by coaching others or creating guides for popular games. Gaming isn't just a hobby anymore. It's a legitimate way to earn money online. By building a community and showcasing your skills, you can turn your passion into profit. Making money as a teenager online is not only possible but also incredibly exciting. With these 5 methods, you can start earning without needing any upfront investment. Whether it's freelancing, selling designs, or creating content, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on making and managing money. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts turn into real earnings.